Hey there, my name is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. This home here in the Fontana, Lake Geneva area is in need of some gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, and gentle detergent wash siding cleaning. So the proper approach to getting this washed isn't necessarily high pressure. From the ground, we're going to want to saturate the house with a gentle detergent wash. So that gentle detergent wash is going to break down that old beehive there. It's going to break down any mold, mildew, algae, spider webs, any bug guts on the house. All that will get broken down. And then from the ground, with no more pressure than a garden hose, we gently rinse it all down, top to bottom, and you're set to go. No ladders, no scaffolding. Very efficient and safe process. No risk gets put back on you for us having to get on a ladder and blast away. It's not necessary. So a little bit about your back of the house. After you watch this video, I'd like for you to get back to me as to what you would like to do on how to approach your screen situation. But you're asking for me to clean out your screens, and so a few areas are telling me that these screens have met their longevity, their life. So I would propose that we remove the screens, clean out the gutters. The quote to clean out your gutters includes the screen removal. But as you can see, the screens are done. They need to be removed, replaced, and start from scratch. I have two screen options. So I'll take you back to my truck and I'll show you my screen options, and we'll go over that. I was also asked to do a roof cleaning estimate here. The roof cleaning is more or less for us to remove any mold, mildew, stuff that's growing on the shingles. And we apply a gentle cleaner, similar to like we would on a deck or concrete. Let that dwell. That roof cleaner is going to remove any of that contaminants eating and feasting on your shingles, and you'll be set to go. We'll let Mother Nature naturally rinse away any of that moss or lichen that's growing on your shingles, and because we don't want to power wash that off to disturb any of the gravel in your shingle. Okay, so here is our two screen options. Option one, if anybody asks for gutter screens, this is typically what I suggest to them. And the reason why is, after install this screen, it tucks under your shingle and we screw it in place. It'll never go anywhere, nor can any animals get inside of there. Unlike other gutter screen options or gutter covers, a lot of animals unfortunately are getting under there and building nests. So the reason we like this option here is because what it does is it allows us to power flush over top of the screen and flush out any smaller debris that may have gotten in there. They call this screen ultra flow screens for a reason, because it lets all the water out into the gutter. It doesn't overspill over the top. If you look at this one here, this gutter protection is very similar to what leaf filter is pitching. Never clean your gutters again. But this causes, you see these little tiny holes here? This causes other problems where you'll have water overspill issues. And when it rains really hard, or there's debris sitting on top of this, water is just going to fly or shoot right off, and you're not necessarily going to get all the water going in your gutter screen. And if you were ever to be convinced in a rainstorm and you call me out to clean your gutters, now you have to pay me to remove these and then flush out your gutters with like a drain flush out tool. Big ordeal. In my opinion, it's not really necessary if you were to install something like this. So after you watch this video, please get back to me and let me know which option you like to go with, and hopefully we can knock out some of these home maintenance projects for you and you can enjoy your summer. Any questions you have, feel free to call or text me on my personal cell anytime, 815-520-6020. Take care.